name is Amanda McIntyre, and I am a kindergarten through grade 5 math coach. In this video, with the help of some brave students from Lebanon, Maine, I will introduce you to the learning journey that children go through to learn their basic multiplication facts. We will demonstrate the mental math strategies that children are taught to master their multiplication and division fluently up to the number 100. As with addition and subtraction, multiplication all starts with counting. Can you please start by telling us your name?
My name is Mila.
Mila, we are going to solve 5 times 3 today. Can you write for me 5 times 3 as an addition number sentence? Oh my goodness, beautiful. So you have 5 plus 5 plus 5. How can we find that answer?
We can start by adding 5 plus 5 by doing 5 times 2.
Okay, so what is that?
That is 10.
10, and then we add 5 more, and what do we get?
15.
15, so we could go 5, 10, 15. Beautiful, since you found the answer, would you like to write it in?
Yes.
Beautiful, and 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, so what's 5 times 3?
15.
Go ahead, write it right in. Nice work! That is beautifully done. That's all I needed from you today. Thank you for being in my movie.
You're welcome.
Okay. Could you please start by telling us your name?
Madeline.
Madeline, I have a math problem for you right here. 2 times 4.
Ooh.
I'm wondering if you can show me what that would look like as an addition sentence. If we were to write that as an addition number sentence. We'd have 4 plus 4 again, right? So we'd have 2 4s. How else could we write that as an addition sentence? What if we wrote it as 2s? How many 2s would we have? Oh, beautiful. So I see we could take this multiplication sentence and we could write it as 4 plus 4 or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Do you know what the answer to it is?
8.
How did you figure that out?
I quickly counted 2. I knew what 2 plus 2 was, so I made 4, and then I added these quickly, and then I'm like, oh, that's 8.
So you went like this. Let me see if this is right. You said 4 plus 4 equals 8?
Yes.
Or how could we do it counting by 2s? Could we go 2, 4, 6, 8? So why don't you go ahead and put the answer in there since you figured it out? Beautiful. 2 times 4 equals 8. Well done. That's all I needed from you.
Oh, yay.
Thank you for being in my movie.
You're welcome.
Can you start by telling us what your name is?
Cody.
Cody. We are going to solve 7 times 3. What is 7 times 3? How could we figure that out?
You can draw 3 groups, and then you can put one. Then you can put someone in each one.
Why don't you do that? All right, now that you have 3 groups of 7, how are you going to figure out what 7 times 3 is?
I can count them all together.
Go ahead, count them all up. I think you might have counted one twice.
Yeah, I know.
So it should be 21.
1.
You got it. So you have this beautiful drawing, 3 groups of 7, you got 21.
I just
all right, ready?
Answer at first.
I'm wondering, don't erase it. I'm wondering if you can use this problem to help you figure out 3 times 7.
Let's just switch. It's also 21.
What? It's just turned around, so it's 21?
Mm-hmm.
Great work, Cody. Thank you for being in my movie. Could you please start by telling us your name?
Hi, my name is Carter.
Carter, I have a math problem here. I want to solve 7 times 6. And I already know if I have 5 groups of 7, I'd have 35. How could I figure out what 6 groups of 7 would be?
Okay, you could draw 6 groups.
Well, I already have 5 groups. Do I need to draw 6 whole groups?
One more.
One more group. Go ahead and add one more group on there.
Oh. Right here.
Oh, is that a whole group of 7 though?
No.
No, we want a whole group of 7.
3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. So if I had 35 black dots and I added 7 more, how many would that be?
42.
So what's 7 times 6?
40. 42.
Nice job! High five! Well done. That's all I needed. Thank you for being in my movie.
You're welcome.
All right. Okay. Can you please start by telling us your name?
My name is Paige.
Hi, Paige. Today we're going to solve 6 times 4. And I already know in my head that 6 times 5 is 30. Do you know of a way I could use that to help me figure out 6 times 4? I'm trying to solve 6 times 4.
Yeah.
Do I want 5 rows of 6 or 4 rows of 6?
4 rows of 6.
So what would I need to do to this to make it 4 rows of 6?
We'll have to take 2 rows out.
Not 2 rows, there are 5.
There's 5?
There are 5 rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We'll have to take 1 row out.
1 row out, so I'm going to take 6 away from that, right?
Yeah.
So I know there are 30 here. If I erase one of them, how much will I have? 9, 20,
28, 27, 26, 25, 24.
So 6 times 4 equals what?
24.
Put the answer in for me. Nice. So you started with 6 times 5. You took away a group of 6 and you got 24. Well done.
That's hard.
It is tricky. Can you think of a way you would rather do this problem?
No.
No?
I'll probably do the same thing, but just like not adding one more row.
You would just draw the array the way it is?
Yeah.
That works too. That's another great way to do this problem. Thank you for being in my movie.
You're welcome.
All right. Can you start by telling us your name?
My name is Jack.
Jack, I want to solve the problem 7 times 4. And I don't know that one in a snap. But I know that 7 times 5 is 35. Can I use that to help me figure out 7 times 4?
Yes, I think that can help you because it's only one away.
All right, show me what you would do.
Alright, so if we have 35, and then I know that 1, 7 equals 7, so then minus 7 equal, so the 5, oh, you don't have enough there, you cross it off, put a 2 there, and then put a 15 there, and then you put an 8 there, and then put a 2 there. So then the answer would be 28.
Can you put the answer in for me?
Alright?
Beautiful. So you started with 35. You took away one group of 7, and you got 28.
Yep.
Nice job. Thank you for being in my movie.
Yep.
Can you please start by telling us your name?
My name
Just your first name.
My name is Ami.
All right. You ready to do some math together?
Yep.
All right, hold on just a second. We are going to solve, let's see, what problem do I want to solve? I want to solve 4 times 3. But I only know the answer to 2 times 3. Do you know the answer to 2 times 3?
It's 6.
It's 6. So how can I use 2 times 3 to help me figure out the answer to 4 times 3? What could I do?
Basically, it's just basically 2 times 3 equals 6.
Okay.
And do another 2 times 3 equals 6.
Okay.
And then you'd be adding the 6 together.
Yeah?
If you can't do that, 6 plus 6. And seeing that would equal 12. Therefore, meaning since 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4. And seeing that, and then there's 3, which would mean this, which means 4 times 3, therefore equals 12.
Excellent. So you took that 4 and you split it up into 2 plus 2. So you could do 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3 and get 12. Well done! Thank you so much for being in my movie.
Yeah.
That was it. We are going to solve a multiplication problem today.
Alright.
But can you start by telling us your name, please?
I'm Felix.
All right, Felix. I want to solve 6. Ooh, I might have to borrow your marker. Mine's running out. I want to solve 6 times 7. And I'm thinking in my head, I don't really remember that one. But I do remember that 6 times 5 is 30. And I remember that 6 times 2 is 12. Do you know how I could use these 2 facts to help me figure out that one?
You could 30 plus 12, and that would create 6 times 7, because 6 times 2 equals 12, and 6 times 5 equals 30. So if you put those together, it would equal this.
Oh, because I have 5 and 2, that equals the 7. Okay, so what is it if I put 30 and 12 together? What do I get?
You get 42.
So then 6 times 7 equals, can you answer that for me?
42.
Beautiful. So I see you used a vertical adding method to find that 42, and that's how you found the answer? Nice job, Felix. That's all I needed from you. Thank you for being in my movie.
You're welcome.
As students learn and practice multiplication, over time they eventually don't need these strategies anymore. The goal is always for the children to be able to answer their facts accurately and in a timely manner. For more information about where your child is in this learning journey, please contact their classroom teacher.